Meet your all-in-one power solution, designed for safety, convenience, and global compatibility. What if I say it has 6 USB ports plus 3 power sockets? With 6 USB ports and 3 power sockets, this extension cord can charge multiple devices at once, whether it's your phone, laptop, or other gadgets. It is built with 750 degrees Celsius high flame retardant. Your safety is our priority, making it reliable even in high power usage situations. Its built-in independent power switch. Control your power usage easily with independent power on-off switch. Overload protection. Plus, with built-in overload protection, you can rest assured that your devices and appliances are safe from power surges. Child safety protection door. Keeping your home safe, the child safety protection door ensures that little fingers stay out of harm's way. 200 cm cord for flexibility. The 200 cm long cord provides flexibility to place it anywhere you need, whether at your desk, bedside, or living room. No matter where you are in the world, this extension cord is ready with US, Australia, UK, and EU plug types. Supporting up to 2500 watt, 10 ampere, 250 volt. It's powerful enough to handle all your high energy devices. Power up your life with the ultimate extension cord, safe, efficient, and globally compatible. Order yours now.